Comfort food doesn't have to be unhealthy. This cauliflower mozzarella is proof. It's savory, stretchy, and melty, and perfect for topping your favorite pizza, filling quesadillas, melting into hot sandwiches, and even adding to warm pasta. To begin, we'll need some cauliflower. I'm using about 2 cups of frozen florets, which yields roughly a cup once cooked. Just boil them for about 10 minutes until they are nice and tender. While that's cooking, let's combine the rest of the ingredients in a blender. Half a cup of unsweetened plant milk, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of garlic and onion powder for savory notes, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for the cheesy flavor, and 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour for stretchy and melty texture, and finally a heaping cup of cauliflower. Mix until everything is well blended. Then transfer it to a non-stick pot and place over medium heat. Stir continuously. First you'll see a few lumps forming, and then it'll turn gooey and stretchy. That's when it's ready. You can store it in a sealed container and use it however you like. I love it on pizza. Just add your favorite toppings, a generous layer of this plant-based mozzarella, and a few olives. Bake it, slice it, and enjoy.